unboxing tayo ngayon ng ating Amazon package. Ayan, o. So, ayan. Isang malaking kahon. Dumating kanina. Feeling ko hindi pa to kumpleto eh. Kasi alam ko marami-rami akong in-order. Ang galing ng gunting ko guys, oh. Ayan. Pwede mo ibalik. Oh. Natatanggal siya guys. So, let's see what we have in here. Oh, wow. Kaya pala guys, medyo mabigat. Ayan, oh. Ano kaya ito? Jojoba oil. So, ito yung ating ginagamit sa eczema, sab, or skin balm, and also sa pain relief balm. At magkano ang resibo natin? So, nasa $288.95. Ang laman nitong kahon na to guys. At, ayan, ang ating rose hip oil. So, hindi pa siya kompleto, guys. 3 lang ang laman. So, ang in-order ko ay 6 yata. Or, no. I ordered 10 different orders. So, sa flower oil, meron na tayong sa flower oil. Because you know, guys, why I order sa flower oil? Because this is gonna be a replacement for jojoba oil. Because one of my customers, she wants to buy 4 pieces of pain relief cream, but because she has allergy of jojoba oil, so I have to change the jojoba oil. I used to buy a small one, but since I'm gonna make more, this is gallon, 1 gallon. Since I'm gonna make more pain relief and eczema sab or for itchy allergy, so I have to order big gallon of jojoba oil, and that's a high premium quality, and also rose hip oil because we need this for anti-aging, for baby sab or baby skin balm, and for adults skin balm for eczema or whatever. So we always put rose hip oil because it's good for the skin. So yeah, we only have 3. And the big gallon is heavy. Yan. How many? I'm not sure. So it's 3.78 liters, guys. So nasa 5 kilos na to. 3.78 liters. 4 or 5 kilos. So ito, 475 ml. 948 ml, almost 1 liter. So, yeah. So, ang gagawin ko lang ay yun lang, order sa akin na 4 pieces. Siguro makakagawa ako ng more than 4 pieces. Meron naman akong available pang infused oil na natira. So, gagamitin ko yun, guys. So, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. That's it muna. Wala pa yung 7 pirasong order ko. So, baka bukas pa siya dadating. So, at least ito magagamit ko. Makakapagawa na ako ngayon. Yan. Yay! Diba? Makakapagawa ako ngayon.